for today's video, I'm going to share to you how to set up your indoor plants and how to take good care of them. If you are new in my channel, please do consider subscribe, and I will appreciate you guys if you like and share my videos. Don't forget to click the bell button para ma-notify kayo if I have new videos. The first thing I did is to go outside and find a shop where I can buy bigger pots for my indoor plants. So I go to shop where I usually bought my pots, but unfortunately no more pots is available and all are sold out. So meaning the pots nowadays is very in demand. So what I did is I bought some balde or bucket. So I'm going to make a DIY pots. So I will show you guys later on how to make it. I have here Aglaonema plants and we're going to repot this one later. And I bought this one here, one of the plant shop here. And I'm here to find more indoor plants for my living room makeover project. As you can see, I'm surrounded by nice and unique colors, plants, and you will really appreciate the beauty of their leaves. I also bought some soil and I'm going to show you later what mixtures I use. Here we go! We will start our DIY pots. So this is the soil mix that I used. The coco peat, the garden soil or vermicast, rice hull or carbonized rice hull, lava rock stone or pumice. And now we start to mix our soil. This plant is called Caladium or commonly known big heart, elephant ears or heart of Jesus, and this varieties is called white wonder Caladium. It has long white leaf with a thin green borders, and this plant is good for fit for mass plantings and also for indoor plants. I have here another varieties of Caladium. It's called bicolor Thai beauty, and you can see the almost transparent pink leaves. It's very unique and nice colors. And growing Caladium plant is easy with proper care. Caladiums have
big, heart-shaped leaves that display amazing colors, combinations of white, pink, red, and green. Caladium have it all. These plants love hot, humid weather and grow best in full to partial shade, though most varieties can also be grown in full sun long as they get plenty of water. So I have also here Pothos plant, and it also commonly known golden pothos, money plant, and taro vine. It have larger, thicker leaves and grooved stems. And consider repotting your pothos if the roots have consumed the pot. Choose a container one size larger than what you are taking it out of and add fresh potting soil. Propagating photos is also easy from cuttings. It can thrive just water alone. So just comment below if you want me to make a video how to propagate photos plants into water. So this pothos plant is one of the best indoor plants because it helps clean the air of toxins, especially formaldehyde. So pothos is perfect for offices and living rooms, and because it also helps remove carbon monoxide from the air. So you pay attention also to the plant's leaf to see how it's doing. So if you see it green and glossy, it means they are healthy, and brown and wilting, it means they are thirsty. And if you see it's yellow color leaves, so it means too much water. I have also here Aglaonema plants, and is the most common species that are available to be grown as houseplant. Perhaps one of the greatest benefits of Aglaonema is the fact this plant can be planted in pots and also can be planted outdoor to give a tropical looks to your garden. This plant care is to keep it warm and moist. That's why I just let them place in a shaded area. So I just remove this one to transfer into a pot. So I let them make sure that where you place them, the ability to keep them moist, it's very important if it's inside or outside your house. This is pretty much awesome. You can mix their colors in one bucket, or you can mix them with other plant. You have so much option. Do what you love. You can experiment with different combination. I think it's very interesting after quarantine or after 1 year. Thank you for joining my journey. Until this point, it's my honor to share my dreams and ideas. My advice for all the beginners who are trying to get their hands on plants: don't go on plants that because they look good, or you have to buy plants for the space, meaning you have to analyze it first where you could put the plants and buy a plants that appropriate for your space.
Thank you so much for watching.